This classic garlic butter steak and vegetables recipe is designed to be a one-pan wonder. By using a single skillet, you capture the steak's flavorful drippings to cook the vegetables, creating a cohesive, restaurant-quality meal. The best cuts of steak. For a quick pan-sear, choose tender cuts that don't require long braising. Ribeye, highly marbled and flavorful. Sirloin, leaner but very tender if not overcooked. New York strip, great balance of fat and meat. Ingredients: steak, 2 steaks, about 1 inch thick, room temp. Vegetables: 1 bunch asparagus, trimmed, and 1 cup baby potatoes, halved. The garlic butter: 4 TBSP unsalted butter, 4 cloves garlic, minced, and 1 TSP fresh thyme or rosemary. Seasoning: kosher salt, cracked black pepper, and 1 TBSP olive oil for high heat searing. 1. Prep the steak and veggies. Pat the steaks completely dry with a paper towel. Season generously with salt and pepper on all sides. Halve your potatoes and trim the woody ends off the asparagus. Tip: if using potatoes, microwave them for 3 to 5 minutes beforehand so they finish at the same time as the steak. 2. The sear heat. A large cast iron or heavy skillet over medium-high heat with 1 TBSP of olive oil. Once the oil is shimmering, almost smoking, place the steaks in the pan. Medium rare, 3-4 minutes per side. Medium, 4-5 minutes per side. Remove the steaks and let them rest on a plate. 3. Sauté the vegetables. In the same pan, don't wipe it out, add 1 TBSP of butter. Toss in the potatoes first, cooking for 5 minutes until golden. Then add the asparagus and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes until tender crisp. 4. The garlic finish, turn the heat down to medium-low. Add the remaining 3 TBSP of butter, minced garlic, and herbs. Once the butter is bubbling and the garlic is fragrant, about 1 minute, slide the steaks back into the pan. Baste. Use a spoon to pour that garlic butter over the steaks and vegetables for 60 seconds. Doneness temperature guide. Use a meat thermometer for the most accurate results. Doneness. Internal temp. Description: rare, 125 degree. Cool red center. Medium rare, 135 degree. Warm red center. Medium, 145 degree. Warm pink center. Medium well, 150 degree. Slightly pink center. Quick success tips. Room temperature. Take the steak out of the fridge 22 to 30 minutes before cooking. A cold steak won't sear evenly. Don't crowd the pan. If the steaks and veggies are too close, they will steam instead of brown. Cook in batches if your pan is small. Resting is key. Resting the steak for at least 5 minutes allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is juicy.